download link in the description. Don't skip the video and keep watching the whole video. Then you will get the password. Install after extracting. Let's change the font and emoji first. Honista settings. Now here you can add emoji from your local storage. For iOS 16 emojis, click here. Wait for downloading. From local storage. All font link in the description. Restart the app after adding the fonts. iPhone style font. Now let's check the font and emoji of the story. You can see these fonts there like iPhone. Story fonts background. Here you can set any background style for added story fonts. In my opinion, this feature is the best. For 60-second stories, search 60. Enable it. For note feature, search note. For 90 seconds reel, search 90. Search quality for high-quality media. Search div. Now restart the app. Hold tap on home icon. Search clips video sticker. Enable all. Search mention. Enable first one. Restart the app. If you have this problem, then follow the next instruction. Hold tap on home icon. Search stories reshare. Disable last one. Restart. Round edge like iPhone. Password 678. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Take care. See ya.